Welcome to Brobench videos. In this video, we're going to go through pin shortcut feature in Brobench. This particular feature is available in the free edition and above. When you go to Salesforce, setup interface, so there is it uses a couple of tabs to show some of the information, but however, it doesn't make use of all the available space. There's a lot of space here, that they could put some shortcut, but unfortunately they haven't. So you end up scrolling each and every place and entering and all that. So the Brobench makes use of that space to put some shortcuts with the pin shortcut capability so that you can easily access them without having to navigate in all the places. Keep in mind the Brobench comes with the command palette. It's a great way to access all the shortcuts if you have, for example, let's say I want to go to object account without having to search all the different places. It's all here. It indexes all the shortcuts and then as well as many of the metadata entries you can navigate. However, if you're sometimes you just want to click rather than type up something, so the pin shortcut can be really useful. So to enable the pin shortcuts, you can open the Brobench connection. You can click on the connection menu and then go to the edit connection, and there is an option here called pinned shortcuts. Keep in mind this particular feature is enabled by default. So when you install the version 4.5 and above, you would automatically see those particular shortcuts enabled and shown there. However, we had disabled just to keep it show that you can turn it on and off. So when it is disabled, of course, it's not going to show up. But when you enable, now that we enable and if you refresh, it will automatically show up all the shortcuts. Okay. So by default, we add some of the shortcuts, which we think is actually important that people use quite often. For example, users, profile, perm sets, flows, flow interviews, custom settings, and whatever. But you can change them. Okay, so for example, now that they are shown there, you can click on them and then you can navigate to that particular area. For example, let's say you go to the flows or a flow interviews, whatever. You can add them there. Okay, you can customize all of these. What is actually shown there, you can delete them or manage them. To manage it, go to the module, Brobench modules, and go to the shortcuts. And here there is a button called pin shortcut